drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot of Tucson. Like, are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Jen. If you are new, if you are returning, thank you for returning. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a trend I saw on TikTok, and it is so useful. It's called a house purse. I live in a 2-story home and I am forever losing things, forgetting where I put my stuff. And I'm constantly finding myself up and down the steps. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what? This may be a solution to me losing things and can't find stuff. So I went ahead and I tried it, and I want to show you guys what I have in mind and how it's been helping me. So this idea is very simple. All you would have to do is put your daily to-go items in a tote or a caddy, and you just carry it with you around the house. And that's your house purse. It comes with me when I'm going from the room to the couch, upstairs to downstairs into the kitchen, anywhere I am at in the house, it's right next to me except for the bathroom. So you can use a tote, you can use a caddy, you can use a purse that you already have. You don't have to go out and buy a caddy like I did, because I just wanted a beige aesthetic caddy. But like I said, you can use a tote that you have or even a basket. All right, so this is my caddy. I got this from Amazon. And they have this in different colors. I wanted mine in beige. I love this because it has a handle at the top, and then it has 3 different compartments. This one compartment in the front is very long, so you can put books, you can put your iPad, but let me show you guys what I have in mine. So I'm a very hands-on person. I prefer to write my notes in a notebook rather than keeping it in my phone, because I just like to see it. Like that's the way I was taught, right? This is my main planner, and then I have my journal. So I keep this with me at all times because during the day I have some ideas that'll come to my head, and I'm like, if I don't write it down, I'm not gonna remember it. So this is always a must for me. And I also carry around my iPad. I love having my iPad to watch Netflix or YouTube videos, so this is always with me. I also have my glasses. These are not prescription, these are blue light glasses because I am in front of the computer and on my phone a lot, so this helps because I do suffer with migraines, so it comes in handy. And I also have a scrunchie, this here right here. I need a scrunchie at all times, so I carry this so I don't have to come back upstairs into my bathroom. Girl, I don't got time for that. I really don't. This is a must because I'm constantly washing my hands. And then I have my wet wipes just in case I'm in the office and I'm eating something and I need to, you know, wipe things up. I also have my phone charger. If I don't have this, I feel like my phone dies on me at the most like inconvenient time. So I always have my charger with me. And then my lip gloss, I always have to have some lip gloss or lip balm with me. And Tylenol. Yep, just in case. My headphones, I cook, I clean, I do everything with my headphones in. I'm always listening to a podcast or music. I love music. Also my pen. And I always have this calm balm to just, you know, rub on my temples, on my hands, because it keeps me calm throughout the day. The day is always something, so this definitely helps. And I also like to throw in a snack or two because I do believe in a snack on the go. Okay, snack on the go, even at home, I need a snack. So I usually start my day at my desk, so I bring it downstairs with me and I do my schoolwork. Then when I head to the kitchen or the couch, I just grab it and go. It's like I don't even notice it anymore because it's part of my routine. So right now it's really like a habit to me, and my husband, he'll see me walking around with it and just laugh like, you got a tote in the house walking around with you. What I did not expect is for this tiny habit to save so much energy. And it seems small, but when you're already dealing with school, work, managing family, and everything else, the little annoyances add up. It does. So this one small thing removes one stressor, and it's amazing because I don't have to keep track in my head where everything is. So yeah, I have a house purse now, and I think this is such a smart idea if you are one that, you know, move around a lot. If you have kids, pets, you have a 2-story, 1-story, even a 1-story house. It's a lot of walking, okay? So take this as your sign to make one. It doesn't have to be expensive. Once it's functional and it fits your things, that's all that matters. So let me know in the comments if you have one of these and what do you call it? Because I know a lot of people probably already do this and they don't call it a house purse. So let me know. And if you don't have one and you plan on getting one after seeing this video, let me know what you're going to put in yours. Okay, I will leave the link to this one if you want it. And like I said, they do have different colors. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.